Enabling two-factor authentication on TaskRabbit adds an extra layer of security to your account. Follow these steps to set it up quickly. Step 1. Log into your account. Open the TaskRabbit app or website and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Navigate to your account settings. This is usually found in the profile or menu section of the app or website. Step 3. Find security settings. Look for the security or privacy settings within your account settings. This section will contain options related to account security. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Locate the option for two-factor authentication and toggle it on. You may be prompted to choose your preferred method of receiving codes such as via SMS or an authentication app. Step 5. Verify your method. Follow the prompts to verify your chosen method. Enter the code sent to your phone or generated by the app to complete the setup process. Now your TaskRabbit account is more secure with two-factor authentication enabled. Make sure to keep your authentication method accessible for future logins.